Today I will explain the third part of Airflow dependencies. Today we will see the function cross downstream and cross upstream. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and comment. So in this case we have 5 tasks. We will use the function cross downstream. We need to import it. So now the first task that we will run will be task 1. Then we will run task 2 and task 3. And then task 4 and task 5. So in this case it will be something like this. First the first task. Then we will run the task 2 and task 3. Then after this we will run task 4 and task 5. Now we can use the cross upstream. This one we also need to import. So upstream is something like reverse of downstream. So you will start with task 4, task 5. Then task 2, task 3. And then task 1. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and comment. For today, this is the most important thing that you need to know about dependencies.